Hey guys, today we're going to see how to connect Google Sheets with Mailchimp using Integrately so you can keep every update automatically without any manual work. First, head over to Integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To get started, select Google Sheets as your first application from the list. Next, search for and select Mailchimp as your second application to create the automation pair. Now browse the available pre-built automations and activate the one that creates a new row in Google Sheets for each new Mailchimp contact. First, connect your Mailchimp account and authorize the integration. Once connected, select the specific Mailchimp list that you want to use as the trigger for this workflow. Next, connect your Google Sheets account and grant the necessary permissions. After authorizing your account, choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want to add the new rows of data. In the Automation Builder, you can customize the workflow. For example, map the first name from Mailchimp to the matching column in your Google Sheet. With all the steps configured, test the automation and turn it on to make it live. You'll find the direct links to set up this automation in the description below. And that's it. We just learned how to connect Google Sheets with Mailchimp using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details.